Okay, so we were just down at the slabs, and the water coming out of the pump house is outrageous. So we're going back across. Oh, there it is. Oh, let's see if I can get it on the. It's coming into view. It looks pretty small from here, but it is outrageous. So we are heading back across the dam, and you're going to get a view of the work that's going on at the campgrounds. It's quite remarkable. Little white caps on Loon Lake. We have never seen this lake so full. Our little beach just across from Red Fir is underwater. So that's our little beach right there.
It's rockfront property now.
So there won't be no sitting on that beach today. Anyway, at the current time, there is no overnight use or camping up this road. The signs are posted quite a bit, and there is a lot of work going on, as you'll see in just a moment. Okay, so this is we're just passing the drive that goes up to Red Fir, and so as you can see, the work that is underway here is extensive. It seems to involve all of the campgrounds, including the dirt campgrounds, and there is chain link fencing and lots of people working. It looks as though this is the old dirt camping area, and as you can see, they're putting in roadbed, some serious drain. So this is quite the project. Here's the beginning of the pavement. So we're coming up to the old granite campground, and some of the workers are staying here. That appears to be a construction office, but there are also some motorhomes in here. Here's the, oh, look at that.
It's like a road.
Looks like they're putting in a road on the other side. We'll see what that is. Okay, here's the old granite campground. It's all torn up. So bigger and more. Yeah, chain link fencing. So that's the end of the campground right here. And then this is where we used to see some people just kind of camping in the trees here. And as you can see, they've laid in roadbed, and the construction workers have lots of equipment and are also camping here. Quite a project. Okay, end of chain link fencing. Alright, we're on our way out. End of roadwork area. And we came up today to check out our alternate camping area for this year. And we'll see you soon.